Welcome back to the course Scratch Programming for Beginners. Today we'll learn how to save, open and edit a program. Once you write a program, you need to save it in your local system and then you can open it and change whatever the way you wish. For creating a project, you need to go to the website scratch.mit.edu and then you can write the program. Here, if I create a sample program, let's say when the flag is clicked, then in the motion, I can say the move 10 steps. Okay, so here is a simple program with the Scratch is moving 10 steps, but you can write as many as block as possible depending on the programming logic. So here, once you created the program, you need to save it. Just click on File and save to your computer. It will be saved to your download directory in your local file system. Your program is downloaded in the download folder. You can copy from that folder to any of the folder. Let's say I'm putting study. I can rename that file. Let's say my Scratch program, my Scratch first program, and the file format is sb3. Okay, that is the Scratch file is saving to your local file system. Now I want to clean it and then I need to upload it. Let's say file and new. So whatever the code you have, that will be cleared from here. So it is cleared from here. Now if we want to load from that computer, let's say load from computer, and if I go to that particular directory, let's say copy from here, and if I go here and then it's showing this program, just open it. Here program is loaded. Now we can edit it. Let's say do something, okay, and execute it, and again you can save it in that particular directory. Okay, save to your computer. So again it's saving to your computer my first program, and from that you can edit from that particular location, or you can copy to your required directory, and from there you can do it. There are two things in your offline Scratch IDE. You will also get similar kind of thing under file. You can save it from here, or you can upload from your local system to the Scratch IDE, like load from your computer. Thank you for watching. Stay with me. This video is a part of video series based on the topic Scratch tutorial for the beginner. If you like this video, then please share, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.